Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mickisha868. So before I forget, thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for everyone that has been enjoying this Trinidad Carnival 2018 series. In this video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be decorating two Monday wears. The first one is going to be my cousin's Monday wear. It's more of an olive green with mesh in the middle. And she got this one from Amazon. The next Monday wear I'll be doing is my sister's Monday wear right here. This one is more of an emerald green. She got this one from Old Navy. So spaghetti strap top, and it has the cupped bra. So to decorate these Monday wears, I finally got everything in. The majority of everything I'm using I got from my mom. My mom does masks in New York. So you'll need a glue gun, or you can use E6000 glue. The E6000 glue is a strong glue, but it takes a while to dry. Acrylic gems. I got this bag from Michael's. I'm also using this rhinestone type of fabric. A lot of these. So this can be cut down individually. My mom also sent me some glue sticks. You'll need some scissors. So if you guys would like to see how I decorate these two Monday wears, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm just gonna stretch it out over this shoebox. When you have fabrics like this, you want to stretch it over something so that way it doesn't pop off when you put it on. So it's already stretched out. Previously I did a sketch of what I wanted, so I'm just going to follow that same sketch. So I put a little bit of glue. When you're working with hot glue, you want to be careful and move fast because it does dry fast. So I just put a little bit and I'm just pressing it down. So the rest of this video will be in a voiceover to allow me to fast forward the video, otherwise we'll be here for hours. But I'm just continuing to follow the pattern. I'm placing a little glue and then adding the gem on top of it. Right here I made an error with the placement of that gem, so I'm just taking it off and reapplying it. And you can make whatever design you want. You don't have to use a particular design. I'm just trying to stay within the same hue and accent colors that complement the olive green. Even though I am fast forwarding this video, I have over 4 hours of footage. I am taking my time. Right here, I'm going in with small circle rhinestones. You can't see it on camera, but they do have an iridescent effect on them. And I'm just outlining the mesh V area.
judge me.
So I mirrored the design off camera on the other side, and now I'm just going along the V with the same iridescent small stones just to highlight the V area. Here are the final results for this Monday wear. It's beautiful. So now I'm gonna start my sister's Monday wear, and because I'm just doing the bra cups, I don't need to stretch the fabric over anything. I'm using this long oval shaped amber gem, as well as the rhinestone fabric that I've pre-cut, and I'm just outlining the rim of the bra. And I'm starting in the middle of the bra to make sure everything is even and centered on both sides. I'm placing the gem just a little bit over the bra cup, so it's not on the rim of the bra itself. It's just a little bit over the bra cup. I'm just gonna continue with this pattern around the entire cup of the bra. So I completed the same design on the other side of the bra, and I'm just finishing the inner corner. So right here I'm going in with flat round gold stones, and I'm just using that across the bra, and again I'm starting in the middle. And before I started decorating this bra, I did go through all my stones and pick out the colors that I wanted to use, which makes this process a lot faster. And I'm cleaning up the glue as I go along. I did another row of gold gems. Next, I'm going in with another part of the rhinestone fabric, and I cut those out in a square shape, and I'm layering it on in a diamond shape. Next, I'm going in with blue rhinestones, and I'm just placing those in between the rhinestone fabrics. Next, I'm going in with a pink gemstone, and I'm placing that at the bottom, still in between the rhinestone fabric. So now I've placed 2 more rows of gold stones. Now I'm going back in with the rhinestone fabric, and I'm placing some more of the rhinestone fabric on the bra. Next, I'm going in with small flat gold gems just to fill in the entire bra. Next, using the rhinestone fabric again, I'm placing a border around the cup of the bra. So here's one bra cup fully completed. So I've completed the other bra cup off camera, and here I'm just adding the rhinestone fabric border around the cup of the bra. I did stuff that bra cup with a scarf. It made it easier for me to apply the gems on that side, so that's what you're seeing there. Now I'm just going in and adding a bit more glue on the border. And here are the finished results. It took me about 2 hours for each Monday wear to complete them. I hope you guys were inspired by both looks. Here's a closer look of my sister's Monday wear. I just completed this one about 10 minutes ago. This one looks so rich. Just the emerald color and just all the colors playing off of the emerald, especially the emerald and the gold. Definitely love this look. It's gonna look gorgeous on the road Carnival Monday. And here is my cousin's Monday wear, which I completed last night. When the sunlight hits this, it's gonna sparkle so much. It's gonna look so beautiful. I'll leave my contacts in the description bar below. Please keep your comments coming. Let me know what you think of both looks, if you guys were inspired by any of them. Hope by watching this tutorial I inspired some of you to create your own Monday wear, gave you some ideas. And these are just basic plain bathing suits that I have jazzed up. Let's keep this series going. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of both looks, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.